Good morning, everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Anita Katarina Naja. You can call me Catherine. I'm from the Catholic Religious Education Program, Ladalaro Catholic School of Philosophy. First of all, my praise and gratitude are poured into the presence of the Almighty God. For His blessing and graces, I can stand here to give a speech about planting a tree. It is important and simple to start from home. Ladies and gentlemen, why do I say that trees are important? Trees are the most useful resource. The benefit is that trees can absorb carbon dioxide and produce oxygen, which is very useful for humans and other living things. The benefits of trees are also as a place to absorb water when the volume of rainwater is already very large on the soil surface and can withstand landslides with its roots. In addition, trees are also a source of food for humans and other living things. All of these benefits need to be realized well by humans, because the reality at this time is the humans prefer to cut down trees illegally, destroy and burn forests, which causes most of the trees that should live to produce extraordinary benefits for humans to disappear and just run out. Humans prefer to exploit all kinds of crops, especially trees. Humans prefer to drain than to bring back useful resources. Humans only want to spend what nature has provided without knowing how to preserve the environment, let alone reforest the forest properly and correctly. We need to avoid this kind of situation because the impact of all this is very large. If we exploit too many trees and drain them extensively, disaster after disaster will occur. For example, floods. Because there are no trees to absorb rainwater, then landslide due to lack of trees to absorb rainwater. Recent landslide as well as erosion, because there are no trees to accommodate the extensive waters on the surface of the soil, so that the fertile soil is eroded and causes the soil in the area to become infertile. The things above are some of the risks if we are not aware of or turn a blind eye to the importance of trees of our lives. There is also another impact that can be felt globally, is the problem of global warming, caused from air pollution and other harmful substances that fall in the atmosphere, and from the greenhouse effect which result in global warming. Did you know that trees can absorb these substances and reduce their global impact? We actually need to realize how important trees are for our lives. We also need to make most other people aware of the importance of trees for our lives. We must not throw a blind eye to the amazing benefits of trees and allow people everywhere to damage and overexploit trees. We can make them all aware by socializing or conveying through media social how important trees are to our lives, as well as providing real action by starting to plant trees from home. Because one tree can provide benefits for the people around us, especially those closer to us. By starting to plant trees from our homes, we can provide concrete evidence to those around us how important trees are, and can move others around us to take part in planting trees at home. Planting a tree is simple. Let us make our earth better by planting trees because trees are very important to us and rich in benefits. As Frank Lloyd Wright said, man's best friend on earth is a tree. When we use trees sparingly and economically, we have one of the greatest resources on earth. Therefore, let's start planting trees. Of course, we can start by planting trees around our homes so that we can also encourage the people around us about the importance of planting trees for our survival. Because starting from simple things, namely planting trees from our homes, has contributed good things to our earth and both the largest resource in the world. Let's love the earth by starting to plant trees because planting is simple. Start at home. So 1 or 2 words from me. Thank you for your attention. And if there are words of delivery that are not pleasing to me, I apologize. Thank you.